Wow, you can already count up to 100? วันนี้เราจะไปต่อเลขหลักพันและหมื่นกันค่ะ Stay with me and soon you'll be counting in Thai like a pro. Next episode, money in real life.
Vocabulary 100 to 500. Let's start with hundreds. 100 100, 200 200, 300 300, 500 500.
Vocabulary 600, 700, 900, 1000. Just keep changing the first number. 600 600, 700 700, 900 900, 1000 1000. 100 equal 100, พัน equal 1000. Vocabulary 2000 to 5000. And now thousands. 2000 2000, 3000 3000, 5000 5000. Vocabulary 10,000. Here's the big one. 10,000 หมื่น equals 10,000. Conversation example. Shopping.
อันนี้ราคาเท่าไหร่คะ How much is this? 2,000 บาทค่ะ
It's 2,000 baht.
แพงจัง มีแบบ1,000 บาทไหม
So expensive. Do you have one for 1,000? Cultural tip. In Thailand, when prices are high, people sometimes say พันกว่า meaning a bit over 1,000. It means around that number, not exact. Fun fact. Thai banknotes use big numbers like 100, 500, 1,000. That's why these words are important when shopping or traveling. Let's practice together. Say with me. 100 100, 500 500, 1,000 1,000, 10,000 10,000. Can you say these numbers in Thai? 2,500, 3,400, 9,999. Mini quiz. How do you say 1,000 in Thai? A. 100, B. 1,000, C. 10,000. The correct answer is B. 1,000. Excellent work. Now you can count big numbers in Thai up to 10,000. In the next episode, we'll use numbers with money in real life, shopping, eating out, and daily expenses. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to support us. And don't miss the next episode, Numbers and Money in Real Life. See you soon!